Moisture in locker rooms and showers can lead to mold, mildew, and costly water damage. To protect your facility, you need a durable, non-porous flooring system, one that's low maintenance, safe to install in active areas, and designed to help prevent the growth of bacteria and mold. With Questmark's 100% solids coating system, you can repair, resurface, and refinish the most common problem areas in your facility. It's recommended for locker rooms, showers, and mechanical spaces, anywhere you need a flexible, waterproof seal that prevents leaks and resists mold. The best part? Your own team can install it, helping you extend the life of your surfaces and make the most of your facility budget. Your local Questmark service representative will help you customize the texture, match the color, and train your team to handle these projects in-house. Looking for a turnkey solution? Questmark has experienced crews nationwide, ready to handle larger or more complex projects from start to finish. To learn more, visit questmarkflooring.com.